Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to monetize Telegram channels. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So monetizing Telegram channels involve leveraging and engaging audience through official ad revenue. You can simply get paid subscription or sponsored post on your Telegram as well. You can even sell your digital products. And to begin, channels typically need at least 1,000 subscribers, with top methods including Telegram's ad platform, Adsgram, and a third party tool for managing subscription. So, if you're going to use any of these methods like direct advertising, sponsored posts, paid subscription, affiliate marketing, and any of these methods, then you can monetize your Telegram channel. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.